So we know how to pour the primary colors, but what if I want to do a primarily secondary or tertiary painting? So how do I get those beautiful turquoises like this? I need to mix up my colors ahead of time and get the color I want. In this case, the phthalo blue and the lemon yellow. And it makes this beautiful turquoise color. If I want it darker, I'll put more darker turquoise that I've made up. Or I can just let glaze directly on. I can just glaze a blue over the yellow until I get the green that I want. Now that granulation you're seeing here is because these have been in these bottles for a very long time and the pigment has separated, which I think is kind of interesting. So mix your colors up ahead of time if you are looking for a particular color. And of course, if you want to darken this, and this is the painting that we're discussing right here of this crab. And this was poured. The entire thing was poured except for the detail, of course. And this is just the process that I did. And I took, to get these lighter colors and the darker colors, I just took the straight color and flicked it with a brush. So if this is the look you're looking for, if you want to get these darker colors, just go in with your Payne's Gray over the top, or your dark ultramarine would work also to get these color combinations. I don't have my Payne's Gray out, or I would show you. But basically, to get those yellow flicks, all I do is take heavy pigment and do this. And this gives you that yellow in the background, which I think is just gorgeous. And this is for my students that are painting this actual painting of this crab. And if I want to go in with that, with a turquoise mixture, and that is just, that's cobalt turquoise right there. But you can make up your pigment. And that gives you this very pretty, soft background. You could add some blues in there if you wanted to. Maybe a little cobalt blue would be pretty. And because you're doing this on a loose tray, it's really makes it fun. This makes a beautiful background for any painting. For a floral, this would be really pretty. Or for any particular background you want to make. So, there you have it. I hope you found this helpful.